Hi all, Naki here. Have you ever bought one of these sets of earphones? They're really cheap. You can get them off eBay or AliExpress or something very similar. For the money, they're really good, and I bought a bunch of them a while back. One of the common problems that happens with these is that the sound will stop working in one earphone or the other one. Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's not that hard. Just need yourself a Stanley knife, some solder, and a soldering iron. Okay, first things first. This is the side that's not working for me. Let's see what the problem is. You take your knife and you find the seam. There's a little one here. Now, there are differences, but if you poke around a little bit, you'll be able to find out how to get into the different types. I'm just going to remove this. So here's this seam. All I do is put the knife in the seam, push down, you usually hear a clicking sound, and then you can sort of, if you go around, you can pry it off, see? Now if I just gently push this out, see? One of the wires have come loose. That's where the soldering iron comes in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some solder, and I'm just going to make sure we get a little bit of solder on this wire. So that's going to help it stick. Then all we do is place the wire back on its little pad. And solder it in place. And music will flow once again. Now all you have to do is put them back together. Now this particular one is press fit, so it could be a little bit fiddly, but yep, there we go. Now you can either push down on a bench or something to get it seated, or grab a pair of pliers or something and push it together. Maybe even tap it a couple of times with a hammer. Just be gentle. Now I'd show you these working, but guess what? These are hooked up to the phone I'm recording it on, so you'll just have to take my word for it. Thanks for watching.